Hello everyone, and welcome back to Celestial Symphony. The natural world is full of extraordinary creatures, each with unique behaviors and adaptations that have captivated human imagination for centuries. One of these creatures, the anaconda, is a symbol of fascination and fear. As the largest species of snake on Earth, the anaconda's ability to completely consume its prey is a subject that often excites our imagination. While the idea of being swallowed by an anaconda is undoubtedly a terrifying concept, exploring the matter can provide valuable insights into the complex relationship between humans and the animal kingdom. Let's see what happens to us in this process, and be sure to stay with us till the end of the video. And if you end up enjoying the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, what would happen if you were swallowed by an anaconda? Anatomy of an anaconda. Anaconda, one of the wonders of evolutionary engineering, is a creature that has long captured the imagination of humans. Its impressive size, unique adaptations, and remarkable hunting abilities make it a symbol of awe and fear. Exploring the anatomy of an anaconda reveals a world of complex structures and biological strategies that have enabled this magnificent snake to thrive in its rainforest habitat. Anacondas belong to the boa family and include different species. The green anaconda is the largest and best known among these animals. A fully grown green anaconda is 30 feet long and weighs over 500 pounds. Its cylindrical and muscular body, with a distinct pattern of dark spots on a greenish-brown background, creates an effective contrast among the lush vegetation. Anaconda jaws are amazingly flexible and adaptable. Their upper jaw is not attached to their skull, allowing them to stretch significantly when consuming large prey. Anacondas are non-venomous snakes, so they rely on strong constrictions and sharp, curved back teeth to control their meals and swallow them whole. These teeth catch the prey and prevent it from escaping, and then the snake starts its contraction process. Anacondas have a remarkable ability to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Their mandibles can be opened to an astonishing extent, enabling them to drown most large animals in themselves. Hunting is maneuvered inside the snake's mouth using its agile jaws and muscular throat. When the prey enters the snake's body, the esophagus expands to take its size. Anaconda's digestive system is as fascinating as the snake itself. When the prey is swallowed, the juices and digestive enzymes of the snake are secreted in the stomach and start the process of breaking down the prey's tissues. Anacondas have a very efficient metabolism, allowing them to extract maximum energy from their meals. It takes several days to weeks for them to digest, and during this time, the snake remains relatively inactive. A distinct feature of the anaconda's hunting strategy is its incredible shrinking ability. After catching the prey, the snake wraps its powerful body around the victim and puts a lot of pressure on it, which prevents the prey from breathing. This not only immobilizes the prey, but also hastens its death by depriving it of oxygen. The victim's heart eventually struggles to pump blood, which leads to cardiac arrest. Being eaten by an anaconda. Let's imagine that we're standing at the edge of a dense Amazon rainforest. The hum of wildlife fills the space with beautiful sounds of nature and animals. Suddenly, we come across a huge anaconda, with its glowing coils spread out near a still water source. The size and presence of a snake causes shivers in our whole being. In the blink of an eye, the anaconda attacks us, gives us a terrible blow, and the jaws of this huge creature open and swallow us whole. As we see ourselves in the jaws of the snake, the sense of surrealism covers our entire existence. The moist and rubbery texture of the snake's mouth covers us. The vastness of its caveman's mouth is seemingly limitless to us. The sensation of being swallowed whole is both alarming and confusing to us. As we slide down the esophagus, our bodies being guided by the rhythmic contractions of the snake's muscles. In the confines of the anaconda's body, darkness covers us. The walls of the labyrinth are made of slippery and muscular coils that are moistened and heated by the heat of the snake's body. We can feel the gentle beating of the snake's heart, a steady rhythm reverberating through the fleshy walls. Our breath quickens, and our various senses work stronger and more precisely as our minds are racing to comprehend this extraordinary situation. In this surreal environment, survival instincts come into play. Our mind tries to find a way out of it, but the reality of the situation is obvious. The snake's powerful contraction prevents any meaningful movement, and our acidic digestive fluids remind us of the imminent threat that awaits us: death. At that moment, we become acutely aware of the resilience of life and the primal instinct to fight against overwhelming odds. Experience within. As we're being swallowed in the stomach of the anaconda, we get this surreal and introspective experience. The unique environment that surrounds us offers a glimpse into the amazing adaptations of life forms and the complex interaction between predator and prey. Anaconda's in-body experience provides a unique lens which we can explore the multi-faced complexities of nature. From the cellular level to the large scale of a snake's anatomy, we can see the remarkable efficiency of the biological process. This encounter challenges us to understand the great diversity of the natural world and its wonders. Throughout the process of being eaten by anacondas, survival becomes our singular focus. Our mind adapts to the environment and recognizes the subtle signs of snake's movement and the rhythm of the snake's body contractions. Survival and adaptation instincts. In these last terrible moments, human survival instincts come into play. Our mind is always trying to process the unfamiliar environment and devise a plan to escape from the limitations of the anaconda's body. Despite the challenge, our common sense acknowledges the futility of resisting the snake's powerful contraction and digestive process. However, our imagination gives us a glimpse of the incredible adaptability of living things and the drive to survive. But unfortunately, in the end, we surrender to our fate, and there's no way for us to escape and survive. In the end, with our death, we become delicious food for the world's largest snake. While the idea of being swallowed by an unsettling anaconda serves as a thoughtful exploration for our relationship with the natural world, this scenario illuminates the incredible diversity of life on Earth and highlights the distinct adaptations that allow different species to thrive. As we continue to interact with the animal kingdom, it's important to understand and appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. And that's going to bring us to the end of the video. And make sure to tell us in the comments, in your opinion, what's the most difficult moment when being swallowed by the world's largest snake? And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and consider hitting the subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the bell so you never miss an upload. We want to thank you so much for watching. This has been Celestial Symphony. We'll see you in the next video.